New information from the CDC shows a record number of Americans died from drug overdoses in a 12-month period. Emily Cohen speaking with local leaders, local health leaders tonight about what they are doing to combat the opioid crisis that continues in our community.
From March 2020 to March 2021, the CDC says more than 96,000 drug overdose deaths were reported.
Any other year, that would be shocking to most people, but when you compare to COVID and the lives lost with COVID, unfortunately, right now it's just getting overshadowed.
Vice President of Quality and Patient Safety with ProMedica, Dr. Kaminski, says he believes the COVID-19 pandemic played an indirect role.
Those of us who, work with that patient population and, have observed the trends over time, really weren't surprised to, see because of all those stressors that, we saw a spike like the CDC's reporting.
Dr. Kaminski says many people might think this is a problem that only affects a certain group or a population, but it's important to note this is a problem that affects every demographic.
It truly spans all racial, ethnic groups, all socioeconomic groups. So it's a prevalent problem in all communities out there.
To help combat the opioid crisis in Northwest Ohio, ProMedica's newest program allows them to screen for opioid use disorder in their emergency rooms, a point of entry for many people who are eligible and open to receiving treatment.
Emergency rooms are a good place to start when identifying people who might have, a substance use disorder problem. And so the grant is going to using screening tools that we will identify patients with opioid use disorder.
Dr. Kaminski says community resources like Brightview, the ZEP Center, and other area hospitals also offer programs to help with opioid abuse as well. Reporting in Toledo, Emily Cohen, WTOL 11.
National Drug Take Back Day is coming up. It's a day where you can get rid of unused prescription drugs safely so it does not get into the wrong hands. Drop-off sites will be places all around Northwest Ohio next Saturday, October 23rd. That includes area Kroger and Meijer stores, along with local police departments.